St. Vincent de Paul has been in the valley for 70 years and is continuing their service to feed, clothe, house, and heal the homeless community during this time.
To-go meals that are coming out of our 5 dining rooms across the valley. We're doing take-home activity kits for kids.
The organization has limited the number of people gathering together, and every hour they are sanitizing their surfaces.
In our resource center, we've actually taped off where people should stand that kind of 6 feet apart as they're waiting to come into the center.
St. Vincent de Paul has seen many acts of kindness within the community. As of last week, 70% of their food service was in partnership with local businesses.
Local businesses and restaurants who are themselves going through a tough time right now, donating their leftover or excess food to our dining rooms and the families that we serve.
St. Vincent de Paul is just one of many organizations working in the community to help the most vulnerable.
The Human Services Campus is open. We're still open 365 days a year to serve single adults experiencing homelessness. We still have over 800 people coming to the campus every day seeking shelter, food, healthcare, all of the other services that we typically offer.
The Human Service Campus has added hand washing stations, more restrooms, and repurposed places to add more shelter.
We are an essential service, and we're serving a very vulnerable population that is very resilient, and in some ways this is just another thing for them to live through. At the same time, it changes how we operate because we are creating that distance between people.
Schwab and Lender said they are taking the time to assess their guest health before they enter the camp.
There's always this dualism of despair and hope. These are people in crisis that we're serving. They're often at their worst moment in their life, and we're doing everything we can to help them stabilize and get connected to a permanent home.
People throughout the valley are continuing to help the homeless during this pandemic. One homeless advocate has been delivering sanitation supplies to the homeless living on the streets in downtown Phoenix for 2 months.
From the beginning, it was the basics of what could be easily acquired, so soaps and the components of hand sanitizer and wipes when there was no toilet paper available.
Venable continues to give out masks and gloves to the homeless community. Madison, Atkinson, Cronkite News.